Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make rice paper noodles with very easy that we're gonna make from rice paper from Vietnamese. All you need is water and bread to press your rice paper. I use about 5 sheets of the rice paper to create the noodle. First, let the rice paper soften until it becomes slightly transparent with the water. The rice paper sheets should all be sticky to each other at this point as well. Using a sharp knife dip in the water, cut the rice paper into half. And I like my noodle is a bit wider, so I make them about 1 inch in width. You can make them as thin or as thick as you like. Today I would like to be thick, by we gonna overlap like this and then press onto the plate that cover with the oil to make sure that it's not stick. Or you can overlap 2 layers and then cut to be the 4 pieces like this, and this will very easy and do is the same things. And now if you need only this and then mix them together, and you can see when we use the vegetable oil and after we mix it's not sticky, and then cover put with the black soy sauce. And the next step is do whatever you want to cook, or if you don't want the black soy sauce, it's okay, you just use this in the next menu. For this menu I will do with the Thai food, that is latna. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.